next model we're going to look at is the trans-theoretical model. This model states there are 6 inevitable stages to starting and finishing exercise. The first stage is pre-contemplation, where a person is not ready to proceed and take part in healthy behaviour. They do, however, believe they should make a change and may act defensive regarding their decision. The next stage is contemplation. This is when they are getting ready and appreciating that they need a change for healthy behaviour and they have an intention of doing it, but they still may be wary about it. The third stage is preparation. This is where they need to do something active to improve their exercise. This stage begins around 30 days before the exercise commences, and it's called the preparation phase. This is where they tell the people, i.e. their family, friends, that they're going to do it. The next stage is the action stage. This is where they are exercising and doing things that will improve their health. They are doing well, but they need to maintain this in case they fall back to where they started. The fifth stage is maintenance. This is where they have changed their behaviour, but now need to share their feelings and improve what they are doing. And the last stage is termination. This is where they've given up and tried and now not bothered. In our survey with question 4, in relation to this model, have you recently taken up or considered a new approach to exercise? 75 of our participants contemplated taking up a new sport, but failed to do more into the action phase due to them not maintaining or even trying a new sport. This means the majority of participants appreciate that change is needed and the intention is there, but the preparation has been avoided. 25% of our subjects consequently stayed in pre-contemplation phase due to the unlikeliness of engaging in healthy behaviour and not recognizing changes needed. Even though the participants started to make change, it didn't last long or wasn't even continued, which suggests that the individual wasn't motivated enough to make the change. Thank you for listening.